The Wipkviey T27 Foldable RC drone boasts an 80-degree manually adjustable 1080p high-definition camera, providing versatile shooting angles and real-time image transmission to the mobile application. Equipped with 4 propeller guards and 2 intelligent batteries, the drone ensures safety and an ultra-long flight time of up to 24 minutes, reaching a control distance of up to 100 meters. Designed with beginners in mind, the T27 drone features a one-button takeoff-landing function, emergency stop, headless mode, speed adjustment, and altitude hold for an enjoyable flying experience. The drone offers multiple flying fun with its 3D flip, route drawing on the application screen, and 3 different speed ratios. The T27 drone's foldable paddles and gift box design make it compact and portable, with a detailed instruction manual provided for comprehensive guidance. With a dedicated after-sales team, any problems encountered during the use of the drone can be addressed promptly, ensuring customer satisfaction.